secure third place. Finds the edge of the table to do just that. 11-9, 11-6, 11-6, 11-4.
And you played a 7 games match with Liang Jingkun. And how did you make yourself get into the match so fast and keep in a good state？ 林诗栋，你也是刚刚之前跟梁靖昆打满了7局哈，那怎么保持的状态这么好？今晚的这个铜牌赛进入状态这么快？
其实半决赛自己和梁哥其实双方发挥的不错吧，然后可能虽然自己输了，但是可能自己的状态其实还是在的吧，我觉得。
Well, during the semi-final, I played against Liang Jingkun. Although I lost, I was still in my shape.
And what have you gained in this your journey in the Asian Cup？ 那通过这次亚洲杯之旅，你有什么样的收获跟大家分享一下？
可能，可能其实整次亚洲杯也是自己第一次参赛吧，然后我感觉自己的发挥还算不错吧，可能收获的有很多吧，挺多的。
This is my very first time attending the Asian Cup. I played quite well, and of course, many achievements.
Thank you, 林诗栋。我们再次把掌声送给林诗栋，颁奖仪式见。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.